will be given the question paper at what time? 11 reading time. Nobody will that disturb you, but that 20 minutes, which question you want to attempt, which question you are not. All questions, if you are not confident. Okay. If you are not confident, don't try to attempt all questions, because that may be your loss. I am going to that point why it can be lost. Out of 20 questions you are supposed to do, you are confident about, then you do 16. But in case you are confident of all the sign it, you have to do 3 things only. Rest all is pre-done. ID number, evaluator, coordinator, observer. These 4 other going to tell you कि don't do any work in the box in advance. Keep the box empty so that you can write your answer at the end. But you cannot leave box that empty. You cannot leave box empty. If you leave the box empty, you write the, suppose you circle B here, but you don't write anything in this box, it will be equivalent to use of unfair means. इसका मतलब है आप चीटिंग कर रहे हैं. क्यों? बाद में इसमें कोई लिख देगा. मान लो देखो इसके दो knowingly left this box blank. We are recording it. I have been a principal. Your teachers have already, I know, explained you. We have given you the video also. But being a principal also, I am explaining you so that you don't commit this mistake in your exam. Okay. If you have any doubt, any question regarding your upcoming CBSE board examination, you can ask the questions.
The answer is like we have written B, but we realize that the answer is C. So it is required to circle C also.
Okay, good. She has done B initially, but later on she comes to know, or she realizes the answer should be C. So you can do here in a box.
So it is required to circle C.
No need. Whether you have done circle is B, but then also whatever you will write in the box, that will be the final. You are not to worry about this circle. Whether you don't do anything in this circle, but your answer is written correct here in the box, whatever will be in the box, that will be final. But if suppose you already written in box and later on you thought of changing it, you can't do. एक बार लिखने के बाद आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. लिखने से पहले आपको जो करना है करिए, इसकी चिंता मत करो. क्लियर? यस. Okay.
If we want to leave that question, can we circle the last circle?
Yes. She said कि मान लो कि मैंने यहाँ भी कर लिया, सर्कल भी फिल कर दिया, बॉक्स में भी लिख दिया, लेकिन बाद में लग गया आंसर पता नहीं है आता है कि नहीं आता, इसके साथ दूसरा क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. क्योंकि ऑप्शन तो है करने भी, 16 करने हैं 20 में से, और ये लास्ट में इसको अनअटेम्प्टेड कर रखना चाहती है. तो देन यू हैव ऑल राइट्स टू डू इन द लास्ट that fill that circle. That means you have not attempted that question. आप कुछ भी इसमें कर लो, whether your answer is right, but if you fill the last circle, it means you have not attempted that question. We have already taken that circle कर दिया एक. बाद में क्या किया इसने? यहाँ पर B लिख दिया. B तक सही नहीं था, लेकिन उसके बाद उसको कर दिया. Then answer will not be evaluated because she has done this. Whether she has filled this and that. If you filled where this hashtag is there,